Every day I have hundreds of thoughts that go through my head. I am constantly thinking of video ideas, ways I can make money online, and every single time I have a good idea, I think to myself, oh, I will remember this. And I never do. Which is why over the past couple years, I've started capturing all of my ideas into a notebook. Any sort of idea I put in this notebook, any sort of thing that I want to get done goes in this notebook. If I'm having a terrible day and I just want to let loose, it goes in this notebook. This notebook is my life. And I don't really know what it is, but there's something just so blissful about writing down your thoughts and putting it on paper and being able to go back and reflect on those thoughts. Now, having a notebook and writing down your thoughts and your feelings is one thing, but 2024 is right around the corner, and I figured I would make a video showing you guys how to use a notebook to progress your goals going forward in 2024. So in 2024, I'm going to challenge myself and I'm going to challenge you guys to journal every single day. I've created a very simple prompt. I call it the 3 5s that are going to help take your goals, take whatever you want to achieve in this next year and put it into motion. The 3 5s are 5 tasks, 5 ideas, and 5 minutes of streamlined consciousness journaling. Now, let me break these 3 5s down. The 5 tasks. These tasks don't have to be anything crazy, but whatever you put in the notebook, you have to do. They can be as simple as making your bed in the morning, going to check the mail. But if you really want to set yourself up for success in 2024, these tasks should help streamline you to your goals. So, for example, my goal is to create more videos this year. So my tasks are going to help me get to doing that more, getting things out of the way that I need to get done so I can spend more time creating more videos online. The 5 ideas should allow you to think more throughout the day. So anything that comes to your head about whatever you're working on, write that down as an idea. For me, I'm going to be focusing on creating more videos. So any sort of video idea that I come up with, I'm going to write that down. Something that I want to remember, that counts as an idea. Pretty much what it is just a mental checklist of the ideas that come to your head throughout the day. Don't overthink this. Lastly, the 5-minute to streamline consciousness journaling. Now this, I literally just want you guys to sit down, set a timer, and just write whatever comes to your head for 5 minutes. It's a great exercise and it's gonna feel like such a long time at first, but I've been doing this pretty much for the past couple of months, and it just feels nice to get thoughts onto paper. And it's even more nice once you've done it for a while to go back and read your thoughts and be like, oh yeah, I was thinking that day, or oh yeah, I wanted to get this done and I wrote that down in here. And it's just nice to be able to go back and look at it. And especially if you do it for a whole year, it'll be nice to reflect on where you were at the beginning of the year compared to where you're at the end of the year. And then lastly, at the end of each week, what I want you to do is reflect on what you wrote. Think about all the ideas, think about all the things that you did, go back and read your streamline of consciousness journaling, and just use that to help push you forward into the next week. That way, you're keeping everything that you're doing inside of one place, you're going back and reading it, and it should help streamline you and help better achieve your goals or pretty much whatever you're trying to do in this upcoming year. Also, don't let this be the only thing that you write in your notebook. This is your notebook. If you want to draw on it, draw. If you want to just write down random things, write down random things. But the 3 5s are just there to get you thinking and helping you journal every single day. Now, lastly, I want to talk about notebooks because I have a notebook obsession. Look at all these notebooks. This is just nuts. Now, this right here is my favorite notebook. I'll leave it linked down below. It has a funky name. It's the Lectrum 1917. I screwed up that name so terribly, but this notebook right here is a softcover notebook and the pages just feel so nice to write in. And I used to hate softcover notebooks, but this allows me to lay it flat, and I just like that it's flimsy enough that I can really bring it anywhere, but it still feels high quality. And I've tested out a lot of notebooks. This by far is my favorite notebook that I own. However, pocket notebooks are really huge right now, and I will also probably be carrying a pocket notebook everywhere that I go this year. And if you are looking to pick up one of those, I highly recommend Moleskine notebooks. They sell a 3-pack of pocket-sized notebooks that I think are fantastic, and you can pick those up on Amazon. And if you have a Target by you, they normally sell them there too as well, and they're pretty cheap. So that is the video. I wanted to make this because I always start overthinking my goals, and I really want to have a process in play every single day to help me take all my thoughts and put them into one place and use that to project myself forward this coming year. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this type of video, let me know. And make sure you follow me down below on all my socials, Instagram and Twitter, where I'm the most active. And I'm also doing a road to 1K on YouTube, which is just this vlog series that I started, as well as hopefully weekly videos like this, or maybe I'll just do vlogging that are just entertaining for you guys to watch. So that's the video. I've rambled on for way too long, but I hope you enjoyed it and crush your goals this year. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.